Hello viewers, today is our topic about how to hide a logo from the website. So see, this is the logo. Go to the dashboard. Now click on the theme customizer. Here you can click on the header and navigation option. Go to the primary menu bar and click on hide logo image. Okay, you can see the logo is disappear. Okay, now we scroll it down, the logo again appear. Okay, so back to the option and select the text navigation settings. Okay, click on it and here you can see hide logo image. Okay, click on it. Now you can see there is no logo. Now we see that in the mobile as there is a logo or not. Okay, so you can see there is a logo. So let's back to the option, back and go to the mobile style option. Here is the mobile menu option. Now here you can see the hide logo image. Okay, you can click on it and now you can see the logo is hide. So publish it and go back to the website and see how it is working or not. Click on the visit site. Now you can see mm, there is the logo is hidden. Please like and subscribe my videos for the new videos. Okay, thank you.